In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use task dependencies in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you manage your tasks. This is the board where your project items already live and where you want to create a clearer relationship between tasks that rely on one another. Dependencies are especially useful when one task cannot begin until another has been completed, because they help you organize your schedule more accurately and reduce confusion across the team. Once you're inside the correct board, look for the plus icon used to add a new column. This is where you can expand the structure of your board and include extra fields that support project planning. Click that plus icon to begin adding a new column. After that, use the search bar and type in dependency. Monday.com offers different column types, so searching directly helps you find the one you need faster. When you see the dependency option appear, select it and add the dependency column to your board. This column is what allows you to connect one task to another and define the order they should happen in. Now that the column has been added, go to the task you want to update and choose the item that must be completed first. In other words, you're telling Monday.com which task this current item depends on. This is an important part of project setup because it creates a visible link between related tasks and makes your workflow easier to understand at a glance. Be sure to select the correct item so your timeline reflects the real sequence of work. Once the dependency has been set, switch to the timeline or Gantt view to see it visually. This is where dependencies become especially helpful because you can view the connection between tasks on a schedule instead of just reading it in a column. It gives you a better sense of timing, overlap, and order, which is useful when planning deadlines or coordinating multiple moving parts in a project. As your project progresses, make sure to update tasks whenever the schedule changes. Dependencies only stay useful if they reflect the current reality of the project. If a task is delayed, moved, or completed earlier than expected, adjusting your board helps keep everything accurate and prevents downstream confusion. That's how to add and use dependencies in Monday.com to make your project planning more organized, visual, and easier to manage.